The habeas corpus application hearing seeking the release of entertainer Vybz Kartel and two co-accused is to continue later this month. The matter was adjourned in the Supreme Court this morning. The application will be heard over 2 days, May 29 and 30. Attorney Isaac Buchanan filed the application on behalf of Kartel, whose given name is Adija Palmer, Sean Storm Campbell, and Andre Matsu St. John. Isaac Buchanan, who represents Vybz Kartel, explained today's adjournment.
To be heard today. However, the judge was of the view that the Director of Public Prosecution is an interested party, as well as for the jurisprudence that proper submission to be put before the court by those parties.
The DPP is to be served with a copy of the application by 4 p.m. today. Now, the men are being held at the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center. They, along with Kahira Jones, were convicted on March 13, 2014 for the murder of Clive Lizard Williams. The case was sent back to the Court of Appeal by the Privy Council for a decision on whether they should face retrial for the 2011 murder. That hearing is set for June 10. So why was the application made today?
One can appreciate that the liberty of the men are left unanswered. The men are in no man's land as it is. One would call it la la land. One would be it's a lacuna in the law where you're not convicted, you're not charged, but you're held in abeyance. I think in terms of where the law is, that the legislators would have needed to make certain amendments to account for a situation where a conviction is quashed, but the matter is not yet before the court. And so, for me, a day in prison is like 1,000 years.